Hi! So my kit finally arrived. It's here. It's come in this lovely box. It's very purple. So I just wanted to show you what I got inside it. So my plan is there's loads of stuff in here for me to try and to show you what it's like. So I'm going to show you what's in it now, and then over the next couple of days I'm going to be doing a couple of videos about specific products and show you what they're like. But I've had a try of some of them and they're really cool. Now I hope you can hear me. I've got the door open and it's a little loud outside, but you should be able to hear me okay. So it slides open like this, and inside is this really cute bag. I'll just get it out. Look, and it's actually really like sturdy. I was quite surprised. So let me just open it. So, put it on here. Hang on. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is just all the stuff that it came with it. So I've got a catalogue. So this is March to August catalogue, and it's just got every single thing that they have in it. It explains what everything does, what you need, which is really cool. And they've just announced a few new products as well, so hopefully you'll get another one showing all the new products as well, and I'll tell you all about them another time. And then just a little pack for me about joining the Unique family, which is really exciting. And then this is really cool. Hang on, let me just open it. So with the foundations, I've never bought foundation online, and the only reason I've never bought foundation online is because you don't know what colour it's going to be and you don't know how it's going to come, so I was just getting in the shop. So what they've actually done is they've sent me a tester for every single foundation shade that they've got, which is so cool. So that means when I come to order my foundations and stuff, all I have to do is test these out first, and then also test them for other people. And then there's a couple of face primers as well, which is really nice, and they look quite full as well. I don't know if you can see like side on, it looks like there's actually quite a lot in them, so I'm gonna try out one of those later and see which one matches mine. There's also something that they've just released on the website, which is a colour match app. But I'll do another video about that, but it's really cool. So basically you upload a picture of you, or you can do it live facing sunlight, and it loads the foundations, the eyeshadows, the blushes, it loads everything onto your face and it colour matches for you, which is like perfect. So yeah, I'll screenshot that and show you how that works, because that's really good, especially if you're ordering foundations and you're not sure what colour you're going to get. So first off is some cleansing cloths. Maybe you can see them. There you go. So I used one of these last night, and they are so soft, and they smell a bit like kiwi. They're really nice. So it's a pack of cleansing cloths. I also got a brightening mask. You can see that. So I'm going to try that out later as well. I think I might have a bit of a pamper night tonight. So this you apply to your skin and you let it dry for 15 minutes and then you peel it off. So that's going to be quite fun to try later. With that, I got a cleansing stick, which is actually quite big. And it looks like there's lots in it. So you apply that around your eyes, on your lips, around your face, and then wipe off. But that looks really cool. Smells good too. So that. And then I also got, while we're just sort of doing like skincare things, I got some masks to try. So there's an exfoliating mask to try, a perfecting mask to try, an oil control mask to try, which is great because my skin's really oily at the minute, and another sample of the brightening mask. So maybe I used that one, the sample, tonight, and then I've got the whole bottle still. Yes, and then you have, it's really cool, there's like a little compartment, it's like got Velcro up here. And then This is the Beachfront Bronzer. So let me just show you, it's in this box. So I used some of this last night, and it's really nice. So it's double-sided. There's more of a matte side and more of a sheen side. But I don't know if you can see that, but it's really, really lovely, and it's so soft. Let me just show you, because it's a really, really nice colour. Can you see that? You can't really see it very well. It's not really very good light. I'm better doing this in the sunlight. But it goes on really nicely, and it's got like almost like a little bit of a glitter to it, which is really nice. So yeah, that's that. And then this is the Moodstruck Addiction Eye Palette. So this is number 3. So there's 6 different palettes you can get with these, and I've got number 3. So these are all the colours here, which are really lovely. I've never really used purple and pinks on as eyeshadow, but I've seen other people do it and it looks really nice. So I'm going to have a little go and a practice of that, so I'll show you that once I've done that. And I'll also do, you know where people go like do this thing on their arm and they show you the colours? I'll do that as well. I'll take a picture of that and show you, because they look really nice and they're really creamy too. So that's the palette. Everything's just dropped on the floor. Hang on. That's that one, that's that one, that's that one. Okay, so then we've got some lipsticks. So I got 2 lipsticks. The Splash lipstick. I got Sympathetic and I got Successful. There we are. So I've never been a massive fan of lipstick, but recently I've started wearing it quite a bit. So I'm quite excited to try these. And they're really good, because one's quite a bit darker, if I like going out or whatever, and then this one's a little bit lighter, so it might be more of a daytimey or lunchy kind of lipstick. So we'll try them too, but they're really, let me show you. They go on really smooth. I love that little bottle, it's cute. So you can see it from the inside. There we go, so it's like, that's the applicator. I don't know if you can see it there. My phone doesn't really focus very well. Anyway, but yeah, I'll show you. It's really, really lovely. That's it. That's a really lovely colour. So I'm going to try them too. I have fun too. Them. And then onto mascara. So Younique started with mascara, and even before I started doing any of this, I'd heard that their mascara was fantastic, and it actually is. So I've worn it yesterday and I've got it on today as well. And I'll show you what I've got first. So I got 2 Epic mascaras. This is the Epic mascara. One's upside down. And then I got 2 of the waterproof one. So we went out on the boat yesterday and I wore the waterproof one just to see what would happen when I get in the water, because it was so hot yesterday, so I needed to go for a quick swim in the water. And I had it on, went in the water, came out, rubbed my face, nothing. So then I was like, oh well, I'm never going to be able to get it off. Well, I got it off no problem. So these are really, really, really good. So I'm going to do a little picture later of one of my eyelashes, not one of my actual eyelashes, one of my eyes with the Epic mascara on and one without, because it's amazing how much difference it makes. Because I've got really, really short eyelashes, but these look really long. There you go. So I have 2 normal ones and 2 waterproof ones. So I actually have these in stock if anybody wants some. I've opened one of the waterproof ones, but these 3 aren't opened, so if you'd like to try them, let me know. And then there's also the 4D Moodstruck Epic 4D, which is, so I remember when I was younger, my mum used to have this mascara, and you'd put a coat of mascara on, and then there's like a little tube with a mascara brush that had little fibres that you put on, and then you'd put mascara on over the top, and it used to take forever. So this is all in one. So the fibres are actually inside the mascara. It's really cool and it's not clumpy. I tried it the other day. It's not clumpy at all. It goes on really nicely. But what you're meant to do with these and with these as well is build on it. So you do it one layer and then like up to 4 layers, and it can like quadruple the look of your lashes. So yeah, that's everything that I got, I think. Let me just check. I think that's everything. Oh, I missed something out. And a little makeup brush. This is cute. There we go. I haven't used this one yet. I don't want to spoil it. So yeah, that's everything that I got, which is really exciting. So over the next couple of days, I've got so much I want to show you. So I'm just going to do a little bit of everything each day. Later, I think I'll show you the cleansing wipes and the cleansing stick, and then I'll do the brightening mask, and then yeah, over the next couple of days I'll show you everything else. But it's really, really cool and I'm really excited. So yeah, keep watching, keep seeing what's going on, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.